You're about to send money to a friend in Europe. You've got everything sorted, the amount, the currency. But then, bam. They hit you with a question that sends a shiver down your spine. What's your Monese SWIFT code? Oh. If you're nodding like, yeah, I've been there, then this video is your lifesaver. Building context, let's break it down. What even is a SWIFT code, right? Imagine the global financial system as a massive network of banks. Each bank is a node, and to send money from one node to another, you need a specific address. That's where the SWIFT code comes in. It's like a postal code, but for money. Monese, a quick overview. Before we dive into the SWIFT code specifics, let's talk about Monese. It's a digital bank that's gaining popularity for its simplicity and convenience. Think of it as your smartphone banking BFF. You can send and receive money, make payments, and even get a debit card, all from your phone. But, like any other bank, it has its own SWIFT code. The complication, here's the twist, Monese isn't a traditional bank with branches everywhere. It's a digital-only bank. So, things can get a bit tricky when it comes to finding that all-important SWIFT code. Unveiling the Monese SWIFT code. Okay, let's cut to the chase. The Monese SWIFT code is NEBEB2XXX. That's for Monese USA. But hold your horses. There's a catch. Remember when I said Monese is a digital bank without physical branches? Well, that means there might be variations in the SWIFT code depending on where you are and what kind of transaction you're doing. Different strokes for different folks. If you're in the UK and using Monese Ltd, the SWIFT code might be different. It could be something like NEG21XXX. And there might be other variations based on specific services or regions. So, what's the takeaway? When you need to provide a Monese SWIFT code, double-check with the recipient or your Monese app. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Tips for smooth sailing. To avoid any hiccups, here are some quick tips. Clarify with the recipient. Always ask the person you're sending money to for their exact SWIFT code requirements. Check your Monese app. Your app might have the most up-to-date information. Contact Monese support. If you're still unsure, reach out to Monese customer support. They're there to help. The world of finance can be confusing, especially with codes and numbers flying around. But armed with the right information, you can navigate it like a pro. Understanding the Monese SWIFT code is one step closer to mastering your money game. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy banking.